Okay, so I finally got this thing going the way I want it to go. Don't know if you'll be able to see the voltmeter. Obviously the light's going to be bad. It's something you got to kind of deal with. If you can kind of keep it like that. Let's see if I can get this going. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the lead right up here. Okay, and then I got two. What I'm getting is I'm touching these two together to create the circuit. So you can see it like that on the pin. You can see it well. And what I'm checking for, after I've cleaned this plug, I just had to clean it to get anything out of it. And I'm trying to do this on non-conductive material, such as a block of wood. And we'll see what I get. I got, whoop, 4.8 thousand. So between 4 and 6,000 is typically supposed to be good for these type of plugs. So 4,000 ohms. The lower the better usually, but with these it's about 4,000 ohms. Testing both sides of it. I took some 2,000 grit don't fall over. So I don't know if you could see the numbers there, but I took some 2,000 grit sandpaper and I tested it, or got the metal showing again a bit. I don't know how old these plugs are, but like the burn looks good. Now cleaning in there is going to be next to an impossible thing, but if you can get a little bit of a shininess to them, get back down to the metal again, that might sprucing them up a bit. I've cleaned off the outside. Now you're going to test it, like I say, from 10K to 20K. I got it on 20K, and you're going to take your leads. They're going to be about here, and then you're going to test the 1, 2 together, touching them kind of like that, and that should give you your ohms. And it might be a little funky to do because it's hard to do in your hands, because you don't want to be getting readings from you being conductive or whatever on that. So, yeah, that still works. So I test one side, I'm going to test the other side. So that's telling me this plug is still good. Then what I'm going to do is, put it on to the top of here. Okay. And you shouldn't be getting it, and I'm getting numbers there. This plug, my friends, is not good. I thought it was good. So when I touch this side, okay, I don't know if you guys can see what's happening with the voltmeter here. Okay, so it means my shielding inside is probably cracked or something. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. I know it's an extreme wide angle for the GoPro, so okay, so watch what happens here. Now I'm hoping that that's happening with just the. I can get it here. See if you can keep your eye on the voltmeter. Nothing, and then I go to that side and I'm getting something. So that means there's a short somewhere on this plug. So I'm not supposed to be getting anything. Nothing. So the short's probably over here. So yeah, maybe it's time for a plug change. Yeah, see right there. Yeah, I shouldn't be getting any. Zero's good. Bouncing around. So maybe this plug isn't as good as I thought. Try that again. Up at the top. Don't lose the plug. And normal. Normal. There we go. So this plug might not be good.